অসম চৰকাৰৰ পৰা দিয়া হৈছে সেইটো বাজেটৰ বাহিৰে SOPDৰ বাহিৰে আৰু লগতে MOS1 আৰু MOS2 বাহিৰেও প্ৰায় 20,000কৈ অধিক সন্মানীয় ৰাইজসকল আপোনালোকৰ আশীৰ্বাদ বহুত দিনৰ পৰা আমি সাহিত্যহী ৰাজ্য আন্দোলন যিবিলাকৰ সাহিত্যহী ৰাজ্য আন্দোলনৰ নামত শ্বহীদবিলাকত প্ৰাণ ত্যাগ কৰিছে তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ তৰফৰ পৰা একালীন সাহায্য 5 লাখ টকা কৰি 300 মানুহৰ পৰিয়ালবিলাকৰ শ্বহীদ পৰিয়ালবিলাকৰ কাৰণে আমি 5 লাখ টকা তেওঁলোকৰ দিয়া হৈছে সন্মানীয় ৰাইজসকল আপোনালোকে জানে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত 6টা উগ্ৰপন্থীসকলৰ আছে কেন্দ্ৰ চৰকাৰ ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰৰ লগত আলাপ আলোচনা শান্তি চুক্তি কৰা হৈছে শান্তি চুক্তি কৰা হোৱাৰ লগে লগে আজি কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ স্থায়ী শান্তি আনিছে তাৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকৰ আশীৰ্বাদ মৰম আৰু সহায়তাৰ কাৰণে সেইবিলাক হ'ব পাৰিছে সন্মানীয় ৰাইজসকল আপোনালোকক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিম কাৰ্বি আংলঙত বসবাস কৰা সকলো জাতি জনগোষ্ঠীত আপোনালোকৰ আশীৰ্বাদ মৰম আৰু সহায়তা কৰিব লাগিব আপোনালোকৰ আশীৰ্বাদ মৰম কৰিলে কাৰ্বি আংলঙত আমি যিটো ৰাজনীতি সমস্যা সেই সমস্যাও পূৰণ কৰিব পাৰিব শ্ৰদ্ধা ৰাইজ আপোনালোকৰ মৰম সমৰ্থন সহযোগিতা আশীৰ্বাদ লাভৰ কৰা আমাৰ চৰকাৰখনত বা কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলত অসম উন্নয়ন আৰু বিকাশৰ বাবে আগন্তুক দিনবোৰত দায়বদ্ধতাৰে আমি কাম কৰি যাম দেশত স্বাধীনতা $৭৭ বছৰ পূৰ্ণ হোৱা সেই পবিত্ৰ ক্ষণত আহক আমাৰ দেশ আৰু ৰাজ্য আৰু পাৰ্বত্য জিলা দুখনৰ অধিক শক্তিশালী আৰু সমৃদ্ধিশালী ৰূপণ কৰিবৰ বাবে কাম কৰিব সন্মানীয় ৰাইজসকল Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and my dear students, I am deeply honored to be here today on this momentous occasion as we celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India, as we gather here. We are reminded of the rich tapestry of our history and the sacrifices made by the countless freedom fighters who laid down their lives from the liberty we cherish today. Our journey towards independence was shaped by the unwavering courage of leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, whose philosophy of non-violence inspired by millions. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, whose visions of a unified India was instrumental in our nation formation, and Subhash Chandra Bose, who is a relentless fight for freedom continues to inspire us. Their sacrifices and struggles remain us of the values of freedom, unity and religious resilience that we hold dear. After only 77 years of independence, our country is now a global power. Today, we are one of the greatest economic power in the world. In Karbi Anglong, through the visionary premiership of Narendra Modi ji and dynamic leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, we are witnessing a transformative phase and reflects the spirit of progress and development. Over the past few years, there have seen remarkable strides in various sectors that enhance the quality for our citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, during the last 7 years, various development work implemented, both completed and ongoing, are worth over 20,000 crores through the Chief Minister's special package under central scheme and through the MOS village project work, over 342 crores rupees are being implemented. Our road infrastructure has been significant improvements, connecting remote area with urban centers, ensuring that no corner of Karbi Anglong remain isolated. My dear students and ladies and gentlemen, over the last 8 years, 2,191.36 kilometers of road has been constructed of the cost of rupees 3,604.85 crores. These connectivities not only facilitates commerce but also provides better access to essential services. In healthcare, we have made considerable advancement. Many healthcare facilities have been established. Exciting ones have been upgraded, ensuring that quality medical care is available to all, even in the most distant villages. In the recent years of 7 major model hospitals were constructed at a cost of rupees 22 crores .6. Another 7 hospitals such as Hamred District Hospital, Bokajan Civil Hospital, and others are under construction with a budget 47.57 crores, and 33 new medical sub-centers are under construction in various places in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. After Difu Medical College, we will now have Cancer Hospital in Difu, which is under construction. Access the clean drinking water has been a priority, and we have successfully implemented numerous projects that bring safe and reliable water to our communities, significantly improving public health. And in the last few years, and through Jal Jeevan Mission, 2,28,670 families got flowing water in their homes. 2,168 schools got water connections, and 680 Anganwadi centers receive water supply in both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. Ladies and gentlemen, the improvement in quality education is another area where we have made a great stride. If we look at matriculation examination result, we seen that in Karbi Anglong in 2022, the pass percentage was just 49.92. In 2023, jumped to 75.47, and in the year 2024, it lifted to 81.6%. Investment in school infrastructure, teacher training, educational resources are helping to equip the children with the knowledge skill that need to drive in increasingly complex world. City infrastructure has been seen to notable upgrade with enhanced public amenities, urban planning driving sustainable growth. Similarly, our rail infrastructure projects are transforming the landscape, bringing essential services closer to the heart of our rural communities. Ensuring the government entitlement raise every citizen in a fundamental commitment. The distribution of ration card and other welfare measure has been streamlined to eliminate inefficiencies and ensure that no one is left behind. A total targeted population of 7,15,574 now receive 5 kg rice per head through 1,46,548 ration cards. Across the 4 revenue circles, 5,61,576 land portals we are given, ensuring that citizens land right and secure. Giving the employment opportunity in our concern is may mention that during the last one decade, 11,163 appointments were made to fill up various posts under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Equally important are the peace initiative through the leadership of Amit Shah ji and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ji. It has been pivotal in the paving the way of greatest development by fostering a dialogue and understanding. We are creating an environment where growth and prosperity can flourish in harmony. The families of 300 martyrs from the autonomous statehood movement were given 5 lakhs each through CM initiative. Despite influencing among some people, we made rest ensure that the CA and UCC will not be applicable in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong while working for all-round development of Karbi Anglong. We also continue to press for implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. As we celebrate our nation independence today, let us remember that our journey is going. It isn't true. Our collective efforts, unwavering dedication that we will continue build and futures opportunity and inclusion for all. Lastly, thanks you for commitment to our shared vision, a prosperous, unified India. Together, let's honor to legacy of our freedom fighters by continuing the work towards a brighter, more equitable future for every citizen of Karbi Anglong, our great nation. Kardom, Jai Hind, Namaskar. Thank you to all.
India celebrates its 78th Independence Day today, that is August 15, 2024. We the people of Tifu Karbi Anglong, Assam, being an Indian, stand together with the rest of the nation to celebrate this auspicious moment. Right now we are witnessing the Grand Parade. This year, a total of 25 participants have taken part in this Grand Parade here at Tifu Golf Boys Higher Secondary School playground. In this Grand Parade, led by the Parade Commander DSP Richard Bailung, with the second parade in command, Inspector AB Girish Chandra Deka. In the first platoon, we can see CRPF led by the Inspector Duduram.